Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad with bootstrapbizgrowth.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to come up with an unlimited number of blog topics or video topics or podcast topics for your content marketing. So it's very easy once you start blogging a lot, whether it be daily or weekly, you start to run out of ideas of what you can talk about. And so this is how I go about finding new blog topics that I know are going to be really helpful for my ideal customers, and they're blog topics that I know that people are already searching for and sharing. And this is my process for finding those topics, so I know what to write about that's really going to engage my target market. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my screen. I'm going to walk you through a couple tools that I do use on a daily basis to come up with all these topics. So the first tool that I start off with is Keyword Finder, so kwfinder.com, and they have a paid plan, but I just use their free plan. And when you go to their website, you're going to be on a page that looks like this. And so right here, you just want to type in your keyword. So this is whatever you talk about, whatever your business is about. So I have a course where I teach outsourcing and hiring virtual assistants. So I'm going to use this as an example. So I'm going to type in virtual assistant. Okay, so with this on the free plan, you get, I think, 3 searches per day, which is more than enough for just coming up with basic content ideas. And so I typed in virtual assistant, and now it gives me all these other suggested search terms or keywords, and you can also see how many people are searching for them, so you can know which ones are the most popular. So I'm just going to scroll through here, and you can click here and it'll sort it by the most popular search results. So here's one, hire a virtual assistant. Okay, so I'm going to take that. That's pretty relevant to what my course is about. I can see that there's a little over 1,700 search results. I believe that's monthly. Yep, that's monthly. So I'm going to take that search term, hire a virtual assistant, and I'm going to bring that into the next tool, which is BuzzSumo. So buzzsumo.com. And here, again, they have paid plans, which are quite expensive, but I just use their free version because, again, you get, I think, 3 to 5 free searches per day. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in that search term that I just found over on KW Finder. So hire a virtual assistant. I'm going to search for that. And now over here you're going to see all these different articles, and they're sorted based on how many times they're shared across social media. So this top article was shared 1.1 thousand times, so 1,100 times, and that article is called 6 Mistakes Smart People Make When Hiring a Virtual Assistant. So that is a great idea for content. Going down, killer strategies to successfully hire a virtual assistant. Another great one. So I can kind of just scroll through here and get the top few ideas for top blog posts related to that topic. A paid plan, you're going to be able to see tons and tons under here, so 730 more. But really, you can just focus on these top ones because these are the top shared articles. And then I might just open up this article. So I'm just going to do open a new link. And now here's this article. And what I like to do is I like to read through them. And then I try to think about, how can I make this article better? How can I add to it? How can I give it more information, give the reader more information and better information? So just look for ways that you can improve upon these articles that are already being shared across social media many, many times over. And then another thing that you can do is you can take a different viewpoint than what the author of this article is saying. So those are different ways that you can kind of take these ideas and these articles that are being shared across social media and kind of repurpose them and create your own unique content. Because obviously you don't want to just go in and copy them and copy all their themes and all the lessons that they talk about in their article. You want to put your own unique twist on it. This just kind of gives you ideas for great content. And then the last tool that I want to show you for coming up with content ideas is Quora. And so this is a question answer website. So people come on here, they ask questions, and then all the thousands and probably millions of people on Quora go in and they'll answer it. if they have expertise in that, whatever they're asking about. And so let's just type in hire a virtual assistant again and see what comes up here. So now you see all these people that are asking different questions about how to hire a virtual assistant. So I can come in here, see these questions that they're asking, and that right there would be a perfect blog post. So let's read some of these. How do I get started in finding and using a virtual assistant? Great, so that is a great thing that you could talk about in a video or a blog. What are the best places to hire a virtual assistant? So that's very relevant. That's what your target market, or that's what my target market is looking to better understand. And so I've actually created videos on that topic. Where can I hire online virtual assistants? Same thing. And so you can kind of just scroll through here and just answer people's questions in a blog post or a video and write about it, create a video about it, put it on your website, and then you can even come back into Quora, copy paste your blog post and answer those questions in here and link to your website. And that's a great way to drive more traffic to these new blog posts or videos that you're coming up with. So these are 3 easy to use tools, totally free, and I highly recommend that you get in and play with them because it's going to help you come up with better blog topics, better content marketing topics that are going to get shared and viewed more often by your ideal customers. I hope you like this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up down below, share it with anybody else that might find value in it, and as always, we really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.